I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga. Leave you stankin', nigga. What the fuck you thinking, nigga?
I miss. That was a lot lighter than I thought it would be.
Shit, blow my head off one good time.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Good food right there, son. Dude, there's still one out there. Oh, I'm gonna bust. We're going long range with it here. Oh. I ran him off. Dude, they're all over that tree. Shh, stop moving, stop moving. They're everywhere. Right there. Blast that motherfucker. It don't matter. Uh-oh. Oh shit, here we go, here we go, here we go. Cage. Cage right. It's steak, but fuck it. I don't know if I'll be able to hit him right there, but I'm gonna try. God almighty, they're everywhere. I'm gonna get one too. What the fuck? That shit's loud as hell. You ready? Oh shit, mine keeps moving. You ready? Oh, mine keeps moving. I got mine dead right now. You ready? Oh shit, no. Damn, I lost mine. I got one. Right here. No, fuck. Some sheep is away. Mine was dead too. Damn, what the fuck. Give me a second, jump back out. I got mine again. Mine's back. I got one on the top right there. You got the bottom left. Fuck, top right's dead as fuck if I shot him right now. Damn, he moved. Fuck. There he is. Let me know if you get one. I'm shooting that one with a branch wise. Right there, right there. You ready? 3, 2. 3, 2, 1. I missed mine. We shot the same one? And we both missed?
No, I hit mine.
I missed mine.
Oh, mine fell straight down.
Pumps jamming like a motherfucker. There's no way we find them. But that's good.
Yeah.
shit, what was that?
That is.
Fuck you, yeah. Am I tripping?
It wasn't on this trip.
It wasn't. Who's in that tree? I think. His face right there.
Oh, yeah.
There's another. I got it. Fuck. Holy fucking. They're everywhere. Oh my god, what is that? Is that a turkey? Dude, that's a turkey.
You got a bird.
Dude, that's a turkey. Body.
That's a shot, dog.
Hold my back. Hold my back. Oh, he moved. I don't know where he is.
Oh, your bag go. Slide in the river.
I should be straight, but just in case.
Let's get a move this way.
Oh fuck, where'd he go? Oh, he's down. He's down. Let's get closer. Oh shit.
This is perfect right here on the edge of this.
Scroll mouse. Looks like we're finna cross another creek.
We're gonna cross that. That one. This is perfect right here. We got a bird. There's one right here across this river.
Right. I can always see it, some bitch, but I'm gonna shoot it. Missed it. Dropped the dodgings. Shoot. Got him. You smoke?
Yeah, see here. I see that.
Oh, hey, there's more. Watch out. Y'all ready? Oh, he fucking flew away as soon as I shot.
You hit him.
Oh shit, I see it. You missed both of them. Oh shit. Dude, these shitty ass shells. There we go. We actually got somebody that's got some shells that you can shoot.
Yeah, everything.
Hey. I think you hit it. Got him. Yeah, there's new shells, brother. Thanks, actually. Oh. I don't think you hit it.
Anybody get that on video?
Yeah, I think I do. I'm about to shoot a car. Oh yeah, it's money. It's my time to shine, baby.
Yeah, I'll shoot at the same time. I ain't got no fucking door. Wait, you want to do?
Yeah, let's do it. Shoot this jug. Huh? Shoot this jug.
This video's definitely get taken down. Propane.
Take a hit off that gunpowder.
Huh?
Take a hit of that gunpowder.
3, 2, 1.
Holy shit.
I got one more shell left. Fuck it, might as well. Did it sink?
I ain't got no shells left.
You got?
Well, I got a whole box, but.
I got one more. A little closer, I guess. We can go home and do a little hooping. Shoot on, bud. Got to shoot the old box. Feel fun.
Has no shells in it, by the way. Hey, bro, comes back here, he turns around and shoots us both.
I thought that's what fucking happened. So I hit it. Little, yeah.
I guess let's get the fuck out of here.
Good. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, you hit it. You hit it.
Yo, 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 what's going on? Ladies and gents, we gonna go out here today. It's about 14 degrees. We're gonna run out here. I'm over at my house. We're gonna see if we can't kill a couple squirrels or something. It is colder than an icicle out in this woods. We got a bunch of birds flying around. I got a pretty bad squirrel problem. So we're gonna see if we can't get rid of someone. Got the pellet gun, kind of in the neighborhood, so didn't want to shoot a shotgun over here. But yeah, we're gonna go see what we can do. Got some woods over here behind me. Might pop out in my front yard, so might have to get on them there too. But I'll pick y'all back up in just a second. I'm gonna go kind of walk over here real slow. So there's a blue jay right here. He's fixing to eat dust.
Alright, you ready? Wait, what's today's date? Hold on, let me check.
It's 22nd.
Today is Wednesday the 22nd. You know, we came out here, shot some big old birds today. Hit about every shot we shot. Shot a green ball, you know, me Asian TV. So we'll catch y'all in the next video, bro.